Every budget talks about taxes. But here's the real question. Who actually pays and how has that changed over time? This one chart gives a clear answer. India collects taxes in two main ways: direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes like income tax, corporate tax, and capital gains are paid directly by individuals and companies. These are considered progressive because tax rates rise as income increases. Indirect taxes like GST, customs, and excise are built into the prices of goods and services. You pay them whenever you spend, whether you notice it or not. Now look at the chart. In FY19, direct taxes stood at 11.38 trillion rupees, while indirect taxes were 9.37 trillion rupees. In FY20, direct taxes dipped to 10.51 trillion rupees, while indirect taxes edged up to 9.53 trillion rupees. Then came the pandemic. In FY21, direct taxes fell to 9.47 trillion rupees, but indirect taxes climbed to 10.75 trillion rupees, briefly overtaking direct taxes. After that, both rose steadily. Direct taxes increased to 14.12 trillion rupees in FY22, 16.64 trillion rupees in FY23, 19.6 trillion rupees in FY24, and 22.26 trillion rupees in FY25. Indirect taxes also grew from 12.9 trillion rupees in FY22 to 13.82 trillion rupees in FY23, 14.96 trillion rupees in FY24, and 15.72 trillion rupees in FY25. So what does this trend tell us? First, India's tax base has widened after the pandemic, both on the income side and on the consumption side. Second, the FY21 crossover is a key signal. Indirect taxes held up better during a shock because people may cut back, but basic consumption continues. Direct taxes linked closely to incomes and profits are more sensitive during economic stress, and the recovery since then has been broad-based. Direct taxes climbed as profits improved and formal employment strengthened. Indirect taxes rose steadily as spending normalized. For Budget 2026, this balance matters, because direct taxes reflect incomes and profits, and indirect taxes shape prices and inflation, since they are built into what people pay every day. So when you hear tax numbers this budget season, remember, it's not just about how much the government collects, it's also about where the money comes from and who ultimately pays.